Alright, I'm behind this car carrier right now. I was northbound on the number 3 lane. This guy comes up. Look at him. This guy comes up behind me, smacks my mirror. So this truck is brand new. It's like two weeks old. So I got his information off the door. So I sped up to get off and inspect my mirror, because if it's even scratched, this guy's gonna have to pay for it. So I have no damage. It was just like a little smudge, but I wiped it off, so no big deal there. However, remember I sped up, so I'm in front of him. I'm getting back in my lane, and he's still northbound, and the other semis are hunkied at him, because as you see him over the line, he's over to the right now. He was like that over to the left. That's how he hit my mirror. He swerved into my lane, so he still can't even maintain his lane. So I'm just gonna follow him up to the point of my junction. But this guy needs to pull over if he's tired, or whatever his situation is. That's a heavy ass truck, and he's gonna kill somebody in a small car. He's on the line again. And the first time it wasn't a lane change, he swerved into it.